Hello friends, welcome to the another question of GATE 2020 question paper solution series, and the question is: in the circuit shown below, all the components are ideal if V1 is Vi is plus 2 volt, the current I0 sourced by the op amp is blank ampere milliampere. Okay, so we have to find the I0 sourced by the op amp. Let us find that. Okay, so here we can see the op amp is a can be considered as non-inverting amplifier, and we can find the V0 output voltage is equal to 1 plus R1 by R2 into Vi, that is equal to 1 plus 1 into Vi is 2 volt, so that is 2 into 2 is equal to 4 volt is output. And so I not if I apply KCL here, then I naught is equal to V naught upon 1k plus V naught minus this V non-inverting V inverting divided by 1k, that is equal to V naught is 4 volt, 4 by 1k plus V naught is 4 minus V inverting. We can apply a virtual short concept here, so the non-inverting is 2 volt, and so the output should be 4 plus 2 milliampere, that is 6 milliampere. So correct answer is 6 milliampere.